today we'll be replacing the front wheel bearing on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. First thing we're going to do is remove the wheel. Turn the wheel. We're going to take off the Brembo brake caliper with a 60mm multi-point socket. And then we have 15mm socket for the wheel bearing bolts. This works, but a multi-point works. Brakes too, eh? That's for another day. Let's break the castle nut. 32. It is a 32mm socket. We have a new one. All right. Just a little bit. Okay. All right. Part this 10mm speed sensor bolt to get that out. 1/4 inch. This is plastic. If you use like a flathead, you could break it. Okay. Let's go ahead and move this wheel back. Tap that out. Go. You know why? So we can push it out. Gives us room for these 15mm. Okay. 3/8 ratchet. Okay. We're going to attach it to a breaker bar. But I think we can just, yeah. See? Be careful for your boot here. I'll attach this. See? There it is. Now I'll turn the wheel the other way. Do it by hand. So we can't really go on the wheel well too much, but at least this gives us a point where we could add some pressure and then kind of beat it off. Right? Gonna clean the inside here. Handy dandy wheel bearing. Inside the foot-pounds torque. .32mm socket. up or down. Oh. Good. 140 foot-pounds. There we go. Speed sensor. Let's get that baby back on. Yeah. Speed sensor right in there. All right. Turn the wheel. Foot-pounds. Thank you. Do the top one too. Here. Torque specs. Axle nut. 100 foot-pounds. Good. All right. Bring this with us. Test drive. Yeah, guys. Coming. Make sure everything's good. We'll walk around. Since we messed with the brakes, make sure you pump the brakes. It's hard. All right. New wheel bearings. All right. Let's get to a cruising speed of 100. All right. It's always good to test locally in case something screws up. Looks like it's good. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Cheers.